For quite a while, Corestore has had the ability to split a line, and I'll just show you an example of what that means. So to turn on the split line mode, you can just click the actual split line button, and you'll see it goes to green. I already had it selected, but it goes to green if that mode is on. And at this point, as I ring up items, you'll see even if I ring up the item multiple times, it splits into separate lines, which allows you to, for example, add some specific notes to each line. You can change the price for each one. So if maybe you're doing a special and you didn't set it up as a promotional, you can still change the price. And let's say you give the third one for half price. Okay, and I'll just change that price. So that feature has always, or at least for a long time, has been a feature in Corestore. It's a great feature. Well, now you can actually set it so that even if you're not in a split line mode, and you'll see what happens. If I'm not in a split line mode, I turned it off and I'll ring up that same item, ring it up again. So you'll see a quantity of 2. Well, let's say that item, you always want to split it and you don't want to have to remember to use the split line function. You can actually go into the item and scroll all the way towards the bottom, and you'll see that there is an option now that allows you to split the line each time. So again, it's all the way towards the bottom, and you'll see it right here, split to separate lines when selling multiple. So now let's check that box. Let's go back to the sales screen. And I'll start a new sale. And just to confirm, you'll see that this is not green, which means it's set not to split the line items. But if I ring up this item multiple times, it splits it. If I ring up a different item multiple times, and let's see, I don't have a scanner here. We'll just ring up these cookies just to show you. So the cookies, you'll see the quantity is actually set to 2. It's right up here. But my buttercream frosted is actually split, and that item will always split. So it's a great feature. Gift cards work that way, of course, because for gift cards, you need to specify the gift card number. So every time you sell a gift card, it's forced to split the line. Well, we've added that feature for any item where you can split it automatically. It's a great feature. It's actually made me a little hungry. So at this point, I'll end this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any further questions, just reach out to us via chat. Your chat little bubble is right on the bottom right of Corestore, or feel free to reach out directly at help.coreware.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.